Hi subscribers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Manchester and today we are making our hair. So this hair is from HOTBRAIDS and they sent me their Afro Kinky bulk human hair to try. Thankfully it came with a new spray bottle for samples of their different human hair textures, a pamphlet containing maintenance tips for the hair, and this huge tote bag that I really like, and a cute scarf to go with it too. I like the color and texture of the scarf. Next up is this cute box, and inside this box I had rat tail comb, a small bristle brush, a brush for your edges, and some hair clips. They also sent me samples of their different hair textures ranging from 3A, 3B to 4B, 4C, and this is what they look like twisted. To make my hair, I'll be using the 4B, 4C texture, and they sent me 5 packs of 22 inches in natural black. The style of choice today is Fulani Mini Twists, and I am starting on freshly washed and blow dried hair. You guys know the drill. For this style, I'm going to part my hair from one ear to the other. This is the part where I will do the Fulani cornrows. So I'll have cornrows in front and mini twist behind. So I have 3 sections, 2 small sections in front and 1 huge one behind. I'm doing the cornrows on my natural hair without extension because it makes it easier and it blends nicely. I also opted for smaller section just so that I could have the cornrows on longer. I'm applying edge control just to the edge to be able to pick those tiny bits, and I will just braid it till I get to where the part stops. If you don't know how to braid your hair, I advise you do flat twist. It's like an easy alternative. And once I'm done braiding, I'm just going to twist the ends loosely because I'm going to be attaching the extensions to the ends. Looking at these clips now, I am wondering why were my eyes closed. It looked like I was sleeping here. But guys, as you can see, I am wide awake. I have noticed that it's a thing whenever I'm braiding my hair, especially getting cornrows done, I close my eyes. If you watched throughout this video, at every point of the cornrow, my eyes were closed, but I'm awake. Now that we are done with the front, we will proceed to the back where I'll be installing the mini twist. I have a detailed tutorial showing you how I pre-part or section my hair for braids or twist. I'm going to link it up and in the description box. I use the same braiding gel to pre-part the hair. This is what the extension look like. This is one bundle out of the 5 packs of their 4B4C kinky textured hair that they sent to me. Wow, that was a mouthful. And to section this, I just pull it apart gently and pull. Then I stretch it with my hands. You have the option of using a brush, but I feel like if you use brush, you are going to waste a huge chunk of the hair and you don't want that. I highly recommend doing it this way, or you can go ahead to spray water on the hair to define the curls, and it's easy to separate or pull apart. I feel like this might also have a downside because it's not easy working with wet extension. I haven't tried it. I don't know how it will be. Now this extension, guys, is a 22-inch extension, but it doesn't look like it. But I can tell you from experience and just handling it that it is very true to length. I discovered that it shrinks just the way our natural hair shrinks. Now to make my mini twist, I am doing the knotless method. This is how I like to do it. It's easier for me. It doesn't put tension on my hair, and all I do is make 2 or 3 chains of braid. Then I insert the extension in between my thumb and my index finger. I make a braid up to like 1 inch or 2, split the extension and my hair into 2. So I have 2 equal parts. Then I proceed to twisting from the beginning till the end. Now, this is what I mean when I say it shrinks just the way your natural hair shrinks. Like guys, this is 22 inches. See where it is, and if I pull it, it gets below bra length. That's to tell you that it's very true to length. I must say this hot braids hair blends so well with my natural hair in terms of color, texture, and just the way it shrinks like my natural hair. It is giving bouncy, juicy twist. And mind you, there's no product, no leave-in conditioner, no spray, no coil cream, just the extension. And with the texture samples I showed you guys earlier, hot braids has any hair texture you are looking for. If you are a 3A hair girly, you are going to find your hair extension match. If you are a 4B hair girly, you are going to find your own hair extension match. So I highly recommend you check them out. Every detail you need concerning the extension I use and other extension samples from the Hot Braid website is going to be linked in the description box. I also have a code for you guys that you can use at checkout to get coins off, okay? Now, if you have difficulties doing the knotless method that I have been doing, this is another way you can get your hair done by using a crochet pin. And all you just need to do is braid down for a while, probably about an inch or two. Get your crochet pin, pass it through the root of your braid, the root of that particular braid, get the extension, put it on the hook. Make sure the latch is open. Put it on the hook, close the latch, pull it through the root of that section, bring out the extension, braid for about an inch or two, and proceed to twisting just as I have been doing in the previous clips you've seen. Now, this method will give you the same look and feel just as doing the knotless method, but I don't guarantee that you get a firm grip on the roots of your hair because you have left your hair to insert the extension using the crochet method. But if you're finding it hard to do the knotless method, you can do this, okay? As soon as I got to the top part of my hair, I started adding in extension mid twisting just so that I can get equal length. Another thing I noticed with this extension, guys, is because it mirrors our natural hair so well that if you want mini twists or you want your twist smaller than this, you need to use smaller bits of extension. Because it mirrors your natural hair, it's not going to be as slim or mini as it was when you were twisting and it was stretched out. So once you leave it, it shrinks and puffs up, if that makes sense. Now I am done with the back section. I'm done installing the mini twist, and guys, this hair is so full. We are going to proceed to doing the front now. I'm going to put the back section in a bun and just put it away, and we'll start working on the front section. For the front section, I loosened the braid or the cornrow a bit just so I could easily insert the extension in seamlessly. I didn't want any knot at any point. I wanted a seamless blend, and I think you should do the same too. It's very easy. So for this part of the mini twist, I added 2 pieces of extension. I twisted halfway and added 1 more piece just so I could get equal length. Guys, the shrinkage of this hair gets me every time. So this is what I'm going to do for the rest part of the front section. I'm just going to attach extensions to the ends and twist till the end. I'm going to let you guys watch the video and I'll meet you at the end to show you how I prep it and just finish it off nicely. Guys, to make my hair, I only used 2 packs out of the 5 packs that was sent to me. The hair is quite full, and this means that with just 2 packs of hot braid hair, you can braid your hair or do a mini twist. And we are done, guys. From my facial expression, you can tell that I'm very tired. I finished this late in the night. By the next day, I went ahead to spray it with water. I sprayed it with water generously and just rake my fingers through, get rid of any knot and define the curls. I also decided to use a perm rod to roll the ends because I wanted coily ends. Now with this extension, it is human hair, so you have the option of leaving it just like that. It's going to look nice. You have the option of coiling it as I am coiling it using a perm rod or a flexi rod, or you can also braid, like do chunky braids and put it in hot water to get a curl depending on what you want, but you can finish it either way. For me, I decided to use a perm rod. After I was done rolling the ends, I dipped it in hot water. Guys, please be careful handling hot water if you know you're doing it yourself. If you can't do it yourself, get someone to do it for you. And now to the review. I was shocked by the curl. This is my first time using perm rod ever. I am always using flexi rod, so I think I found a new favorite. Also guys, let me know in the comment section if it's the right way to use an unravel perm rod, because I feel like I struggled to put it on in the first place and close it, and also when I was taking it down. Now that the curls are out, this is what it looks like. I really like it. I'm just going to use my fingers to rake through it nicely, just so that they will be individual curls. And this is what the ends look like, guys. What do you guys think? I personally like it. I went ahead to apply mousse to the entire hair. Now thinking of it, I feel like I should have used mousse at the end before curling it. I don't know, that thought just came to mind. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would that have made a difference with the way the curls look or not? And I went ahead to use this edge control and the edge brush they sent to lay my edges nicely. I was getting ready to go out, so I wanted to look cute and look good. Now this is one hack I do to make my edges stay laid longer. After doing the edge swoop with your edge control, just go ahead to use a mousse or a gel. I personally recommend using a mousse. It lasts longer. Apply it on your laid edges, tie it down, and trust me, it's going to stay laid for as long as 8 to 12 hours. Now this is what my hair looks like. What do you guys think? I really love it. The texture, the feel, the way it looks, and it is lightweight, just like a natural hair. Now, because I was heading out this day, I decided to put my hair in a half up, half down style, and I really love it. It looks so cute. I'm going to make a dedicated video showing you ways I styled this hair, so if you're interested, stay tuned. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. All your details you need concerning hot braid is going to be in the description box. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.